Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just posted a video on how I get these curls, and today I'm going to show you how I maintain these curls for an entire week. So it's like a vlog style video, but for now I've finished washing my hair and all, and I'm not going to go outside my house because the outside air pollution will cause frizz. I'm indoors until this dries completely. It's like 95%, 97% dried, but I'll show you how I sleep when I'm sleeping. I was honestly very tired and couldn't really explain, but I'm putting my hair in a loose bun using a satin scrunchie, and then I'll put it in a satin bonnet. I'll give more details about the scrunchie and the bonnet in my next clip, but for now this is what I'm doing. Good morning. I just woke up. Okay. This is how my hair is in the morning. Guys, I just got out of bed and I'll show you how you should put your hair when you have to wash your face or brush your teeth or whatever. Basically, your hair should not get wet and you don't want that weird bump in your hair also. So take a clip like this. Clips don't cause bumps. And then just take 2 strands from front, put it at the back. And now your hair won't get wet when you wash your face like this. And then you can just leave it like this the entire day. But I just like to keep it open. That's just how I like it, but it's completely your wish. Guys, I just got out of the house and look at how my hair looks in the sun. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Hey guys, so now I have to go for a shower and I'll show you what I do. So basically, I put this scrunchie the same way what you saw last night. I put this scrunchie in a loose bun, wear the bonnet, and then I go for a shower. Okay, you might think I just put my hair up and it doesn't get wet. No. Even I used to think that, but trust me, those teeny tiny drops of water they cause frizz. This will go. So you have to wear this and go for your shower, and it'll hardly get wet, so till you sleep in the night it'll dry. It's not a big deal. And the third thing what you need is a good satin pillow cover. Now I'll tell you why you need all 3 satin things. Number 1, satin does not cause friction. When your hair rubs any other material, it rubs aise and there's frizz. But when it rubs satin, I can literally go like this on my hair and it will not cause frizz. It will increase the shine of my hair. In the night when I put this and sleep, however my hair is before I slept, it's 10 times better when I wake up in the morning just because I wear this. Before I would just put my hair in a bun and sleep on this. But no, it does not work. Put my hair in the scrunchie, then I wear the bonnet and then I sleep on the satin pillow cover. Achha, now I'll tell you how I went to a regular material store. It was 100 bucks. I got 1 meter of satin. And then I took the 1 meter. I took any old or new or whatever. I took a white pillow cover. I cut the satin cloth according to the pillow cover. And then I got it stitched. I don't have a stitching machine at home, or nobody stitches in my house, so I got it stitched from outside. And then I saw a tutorial on YouTube of how to make a scrunchie. I got it stitched over there only, and this also. I made a reversible bonnet. So then there's satin on both the sides. I'll link a good video where you can see and make these things, and it'll really help you. Trust me. This is my hair on day 2. And hopefully it stays like this till the end of the week. I don't know if you can notice, but I have a little frizz towards this side. But since I'm like not going out of my house, I'm not gonna do anything about it and let it be like this because it isn't looking bad yet there. But yeah, it's day 2. Hello everybody. Okay, now before I go to sleep, I thought I'll just show you how my hair looks. Absolutely zero product I've put in. I won't do anything without telling you. And also I wanted to say one more thing. So many people commented under my previous video of how I take care of my curly hair, where I said I do not wash my hair for an entire week, and they were like, how the hell do you not do it? So that's why I'm making this video, to explain all of you that I do a lot to actually not wash it an entire week. Okay, now I'm gonna sleep in a while after I use my phone and waste some time. Yeah, then I'll sleep and then I'll meet you in the morning immediately when I wake up and remove the bonnet. That time you see my hair will be like little better. And yeah, I don't think I need to refresh my hair or do anything at the moment. Only after I have a shower tomorrow, I'll use some serum to just defrizz it a little bit. Hi guys, it's day 4 and I thought I'll give you an update. Though see, my curls are still intact. And I thought I'll show you how I refresh my hair today. But since I'm just sitting at home the entire day and my scalp is just so used to not washing it the entire week that it doesn't decide to get spoiled. I don't even know why, but I promise, pakka promise that the next clip, which is tomorrow, I'll show you how I refresh my hair. Basically, I'll wet my hair and scrunch it and I'll show it to you tomorrow. So guys, I was just lazing around on the bed on my phone and then I realized, let me exercise. So then when I was exercising, like getting ready to exercise, I was tying my hair because I can't exercise with open hair. So I thought, let me show you how I put my hair when I exercise. So now, put all my hair forward. Then I just take all of it like this. Bro, look at the curls. Okay. Then I take my satin scrunchie. Then I do this. Like this. And then I do one more loop. And then I put like this. Now you can do this for all exercises apart from the jumping ones. So yeah, this is what I do. Hi guys. Today is Thursday. I washed my hair on Sunday. And it's still like this. Like, dude, I can't even help it. Though it has got a little frizzy under, but since I promised, I will show you how I refresh my hair and whatever I do. But before that, if you have an oily scalp, take a little bit of cornstarch, it's very little, and take cocoa powder. So according to your hair color, just add a spoon of cocoa powder, mix it. Basically, it shouldn't give you that white cast on your hair. Or you can use dry shampoo, but that's just chemicals, so I don't like to use it. But honestly, I don't have a dry scalp regularly. I mean, oily scalp. I have a very dry scalp, so I don't really do this. But just for who all have an oily scalp, so just take it in a brush, dust off all the excess, and then just put it all over your scalp nicely, and then just the oiliness and all will go. I don't need to do it because I have a dry scalp. So this is what you should do if you have an oily scalp. And see, it doesn't even leave that white cast sort of thing. On dry shampoos leave that cast. This is like so much better. And now I'll show you if your curls way down or your hair gets too frizzy, then what you have to do, okay? Now to refresh my hair, I use whatever curl cream you use to wash your, like to scrunch up your hair when you wash your hair. The same thing. I use the Pantene oil replacement, Live On hair serum, a spray bottle in which I put water and like 2-3 drops of my conditioner. Now to be very honest, I used my silicone conditioner, like my old conditioner, because I didn't want to waste it. So I just put 2 drops, and since it's so diluted in water, it won't really harm your hair. So with this, and then you need a microfiber towel to scrunch your hair. So with this, I'll wet all my hair and I'll show you how that also I do. Okay, now the only reason I put conditioner is because if my hair is frizzy and dry and all that, the conditioner just balances it out, letting me keep my hair unwashed for a longer time. And my hair doesn't get wet fast because there's so much of curl cream in it, but I just do whatever I can. I put almost this whole bottle. It's just 2 drops of conditioner, but it really helps. Sometimes I just ask my mom to do it because I'm so lazy to spray my entire hair, but it should be nicely wet. Then only this hack is gonna work. Okay, Okay, now I'm just tired of spraying, so I'm just opening the bottle, taking little on my hand. Should I drop it? Okay, don't put this on your scalp. What I'll do is I'll just pour it, scrunch it into my hair. Cause dude, I'm not gonna sit and do a whole long process of spraying it into my hair. Okay, at this point I wet all my hair nicely, you can see, and then we take Pantene oil replacement. The other benefit is I don't have to wait forever for my hair to dry, because this method dries very fast. Now I take it on my hand according to your length. Just make sure you have this much product on your hand, and then just praying hands, always praying hands. You go like this. And then I just like to spread it all over my hair. And then obviously I take more product because nothing's ever enough. Little more. Now again divide your hair. Then go. This whole scrunching process continues forever. I scrunch my hair forever and ever. If you've seen my curly hair routine video, which you should, you'll realize how much I scrunch my hair. Because I just started following the curly hair method. So I need to do this for that definition. Like, see. My hair is naturally curly, but then I used to brush it dry. Yeah, one more point. Never ever touch a dry hairbrush. When your hair is dry, never brush your hair out. Like, don't even think about it. It's like the worst nightmare ever. Your hair is gonna stand up like a tree or coconut tree, and you'll look extremely funny. So just scrunch up your hair, comb it, whatever you do it if it's wet. Now also I could have done, but I don't really have the most amount of knots in my hair, so I think it's better if you don't. The best time to do it is when you wash your hair. Now I'll flip my hair this way. Now after I've scrunched my hair a little bit, I'm gonna go with the microfiber towel, which is my best friend. And then I'm gonna scrunch till I die with this and remove all the water because I want it to dry. Now suppose you have to go for some events and you can't wash your hair because it's not the end of the week yet. Just do this. It'll look like you washed your hair, and in reality you've just scrunched up your hair. Now I'm done with this, and bro, look at the definition. I just love when my curls really show up, and then I get excited, so I scrunch my hair more. I'm this kind of person who gets excited for every chota thing. Enough of scrunching. And now I'm gonna take this serum, put it on my hand. I'm using the Livon serum. Just a little bit. Until your hand looks shiny. Praying hands. Always praying hands. One more thing you can do is like this. Just go like this. If you have really frizzy hair, you can go through every strand. Normally the back side of my hair and the inner side of my hair gets frizzy. I don't even know why. I think I just ignore it. But yeah. So I'm just defrizzing this part. And then since all the product is gone well and all, touched all your hair strands, take your microfiber towel, who's going to be your best friend, and scrunch your hair again. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know, my hair just settled in this parting, which I'm quite happy with. Definition, bro, definition. And then after this dries, I'll put Livon again and then I'm done. It won't even take me like 10 minutes to dry. And now you need volume for your hair, no? So go like this. Go up. Shake your hair. Don't touch your hair when it's wet. Just don't. Okay. I normally like to let it back and dry because then I can put in whichever partition I want. So yeah, that's what I do. Hi. Okay, this is day 6. I'll give you update. I'm gonna wash my hair day after tomorrow. And this is the end of the day. I'm gonna go sleep now. So yeah, this is how my hair looks on day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below how often you wash your hair, and if you're planning to wash your hair only once a week after watching this video, and turn the red subscribe button grey. See you in my next video. Bye.